Hey everybody! In this video we're going to talk about writing an equation for a function after a vertical and horizontal translation. So essentially, if we're given the function f, which is equal to negative 1/2 x squared, can we write down the expression for h of x? Well, this point right here on f is at 0, 0. And it is similar to this point right here on h. So the question is, how do I get from f to h? Well, I have to go up 4 and to the left 3. So up 4, and I'm going to do this in a different color, to the left 3. So for up 4, I know onto the end of my function f, I need to add 4. And then I know that to the left 3, that's something inside of my square, or my square root, or my absolute value. And I'm going to add 3, which shifts me to the left, which is a little counterintuitive, okay? But that's what those two different pieces are going to do. So now I can combine them. I'm going to have for h of x 1/2 x squared. Nope. 1/2 times x plus 3 squared plus 4. So you see how I combined this piece and this piece here? And that's going to be h of x. Okay, that's my new function. So that is writing an equation for a function after a vertical and horizontal translation.